the end of this. Now we have come to this. Let's start reminiscing the things that we could have been, thought of would never end. Now we are stuck again. All of those promises going down the drain. I don't wanna hear your name. Flashbacks making me insane. When every time I see your face, girl, you're taking me back to those days. Thought I'd tolerate the pain. Why you always gotta act like that? Should we have stayed in the lane, goddamn? You got me feeling silent type of way right now. Got better things to do, but that was hard like now. That was hard like now, like say goodbye, say skies to someone you smile. So high what we really left behind, never satisfied me on what is being right or wrong. This is silence, I'm trying to analyze what's wrong. And yet, I was just looking for love. I was just looking for love. Someone who don't give a fuck. Someone who say I'm enough, say I'm enough, yeah, yeah. You still tripping on me, why you put the blame on me? I was never guaranteed. Still I'ma pull up to your crib, let the gas on E. Feed your fantasy tonight. Girl, you got me feeling like I betrayed my own advice, but I knew I had to try. So I tried, then you lied. I got fooled by your disguise. Yeah, I'm jaded, irritated, obligated not to say shit, it got too complicated. Nah, roll the dice, yeah, I knew I gotta pay the price, yeah. Ate my pride, yeah, now you got me asking, is this the end of this? Now we have come to this. Let's start reminiscing the things that we could have been, thought it would never end. Now we are stuck again. Now we are stuck again. Now we are stuck again. Yeah, yeah.